Welcome back to a stunning session of Let's Build. Today I am going to discuss you about the history of Maggi. Maggi, which we know 2 minutes noodles, is famous worldwide today and is also favorite among the people of every age. In India, there is a huge demand of Maggi. But do you know what is the history of the Maggi and why it was named Maggi? Come on, let's get started. If you are interested, continue watching the video. Don't forget to smash the like button. However, very few people are aware of when or where Maggi was first made. Also, the man behind the revolutionary concept. Do you know Julius Maggi? He is a Swiss entrepreneur who invented the pre-cooked soup, and he is the man from whose names the word Maggi was derived. I know well that you are curious about how does Maggi continue to be the choice of millions of hearts even today. Let me detail the story behind it. Maggi, the youngest of 5 children, who was born in Switzerland in 1846, took over his father's hammer mill in 1869. The milling industry was in crisis at that time, and Maggi decided to look at new avenues of business. In the early 1880s, Julius started experimenting on new type of flour. He had a need to offer the nutritional food to the working women who don't get enough time to cook for their entire family. And it was about 1884 when he took over his father's mill to work on his idea. For the very first time, he introduced the ready-made soups prepared of the legume-based meals in the market, and later on he launched the Maggi cubes in about 1886 so as to improve the flavor of the food item. The story behind making it is really interesting, right? His journey not just ended there. He then founded the Maggi GmbH in Germany in 1897. Fortunately, he was one of the earliest and well-known inventors who felt the importance and amazing benefits of advertising. Their strategy when it comes to television advertisements is so apt that when we see it, we can not only feel the hot masala-filled noodles, but also we can smell it too. About Maggi, Maggi is also known as instant noodles all over the world. Do you know that Maggi or instant noodles own a 90% share in the entire market of India? Yes, it is absolutely true, as it has been liked and loved in India, Malaysia and Pakistan. Now I am going to disclose an important finding. That is, there is a special vegetarian formulation in the Indian Maggi as compared to the other brands. Maggi was first introduced in India in 1984 by Nestle, and at that time the rupees 2.50 per 100 gram packet was a massive hit. Moving on to the most important fact about Maggi. What are the colored dots or circles on the Maggi packets denote? Maggi masala noodles carry a green dot, meaning that they are specifically formulated to serve vegetarians, whereas Maggi chicken noodles carry a red dot, indicating that they are for non-vegetarians. This vegetarian special formulation is not available in other countries unless imported from India. In 1947, the brand Maggi was merged with Nestle, a Swiss company which has been the most famous brand of Maggi Nestle ever since. Nestle India spends nearly 100 crore on advertising, with Maggi's highest share. In short, Maggi, one of India's most valued brands, is actually an associate brand of Nestle, a well-known Swiss company, but most people consider Nestle to be the original brand. The 2-minute noodles advertising campaign on state-run television, with which Maggi launched itself, turned out to be an instant attraction because of its liberating message for women. For years, many Indians have considered Maggi to be a junk food, and most schools in Delhi do not stock the snack in their canteens. Parents who give Maggie product to children in their lunch boxes have been sent polite notes advising them against doing so. But the snack achieved cult status in India mainly because of the ease of cooking it. Today it is the staple of bachelors, college kids and young professionals. And that is just how most Indians like to eat, which are often described as India's favorite noodles. Today, more than 120 years later, we strive to build on Julius Maggie's ambition of making delicious, quality and nutritious food accessible to all. Even today, the tradition continues all around the world. Hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Let's Bell and press bell icon in order to get all updates from my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, bye. Take care.